Okay, so I just heard something that is so like confirmation, just everything. Lately the Lord's been like pressing upon my spirit in these times to just get prepared spiritually and physically. He's been bringing a lot of things to mind, and I don't want to like point them specifically out yet, but I think if you're following my videos, you can kind of pick up on what I'm putting down. But there was something that I heard that was significant confirmation of prophecies that have been given by the Lord's people, and I want you guys to hear it. Majority of my news that I get is my news, like current event source, is not from the typical news. I usually watch Marfugal News. So I don't know if you guys watch him. He's actually really popular on current events and preparedness. So he said something last night that blew my mind. So I want you guys to like listen to this. It's about the Aurora Borealis. And this is the prophecy that's been given about the 3 days of darkness.
Do a solar event, it is going to be an absolute mess. And that's why if you do prepare, if you think about these things now, you will be much better prepared when it happens. It says, as the geomagnetic storm messes with the ionosphere's magnetic charge, it creates currents in the ionosphere, and then those currents are in our upper atmosphere, interact with the particles in the ground. The interaction between these particles creates strong electrical currents that can flood infrastructure on Earth. I mean, this makes it sound like it's, nice. Like, oh, it's not that bad. This can trigger some bizarre phenomena. In one example, in 1972, U.S. military pilots flying south of Haiphong Harbor in North Vietnam saw 24 sea mines explode in the water without any apparent cause. A 2018 study looking at space weather at the time concluded that the cause was a huge solar storm. It's as if the currents flood the electrical grid, they can blow up transformers. One damaged transformer won't cause much of an issue, but a huge geomagnetic storm heading towards Earth, a storm so big, it would probably give us auroras down to the equators. So literally anywhere you look in the United States, you are seeing an aurora. Could cause several transformers to go at once, or overwhelm other transformers that could then blow up, knocking out the whole grid. There's only 9 big transformers